Hello everyone, it's Marie here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm showing the March Glimmer Kit from Spellbinders, which are these really fun sentiments that you can add to any of your projects. I've gone ahead today, made a few Easter/spring type cards, and I want to show you how I did that. So here is the Glimmer Kit for March. Like I said, it's these 5 different sentiments that you can go ahead and glimmer onto any of your projects. There's a few that are more spring related, spring themed, and then there are a few that are more general, like a birthday or a thanks. So you can use these for all kinds of different projects. If you want to do cards, if you want to do tags or gift boxes or anything, these are just great sentiments to have on hand to throw on any kind of project. Now here is one of my tags that I've created already. I'm going to be making another one today on this video. It's a really short video, just giving a few ideas of how to use the March Glimmer Kit from Spellbinders. So here's a few tags. I'm going to be making a similar one here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my glimmer plate down on my tag that I have prepped. And I like to use the hinge method when I'm getting my glimmer plates in place. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get them positioned exactly where you want them to go after you layer your foil and your papers all together. So I like to put a little piece of tape on my glimmer plates and then fold it up kind of like a hinge, get my foil in place, and then flip that plate back down. And that just helps keep it in place so that I can glimmer exactly where I want it to go, and I'm going to get good results the first time. So I've got my foil in place, I'm putting it onto my glimmer platform, letting it heat up, and as that's happening, I'm showing you the other dyes and things that I'm mixing with these sentiments. Now these flower dies are part of Spellbinders' Simply Perfect collection. These are layered flowers, so you get tons of little pieces of flowers and greenery that you can die cut and layer together. So I have a few pieces prepped here. I've cut them out of colored cardstock and added a little bit of ink to some of those green pieces. Now this that I'm showing you is actually the March stamp set from Spellbinders. They also have a clear stamp kit that you can subscribe to every month. This month is some really cute little bunnies, and so I'm going to add these to my tag as well because it works really well with some of these spring themed sentiments. So my tag is glimmered. I'm just going to peel off that foil and I'm left with a really fun, perfectly glimmered sentiment, wishing you blue skies today and always. I thought that was really fun and kind of springy. So I'm going to go ahead with my tag. I've got my tags here already prepped. I'm adding some double stick adhesive to the back of one tag, the one that I glimmered, and I'm going to layer it over another tag. I think this is just a really fun way to do tags. It gives you a few different layers and different patterns if you want to mix patterns. And having one offset actually gives me a little extra room to decorate. So that works really well with my tags today for me adding on these little bunnies and all of the flowers. I'm just going to make a little arrangement of all of my other elements off to this side of my tags here. So I'm adding my bunny on some foam adhesive and just adding him next to my sentiments. I'm taking all of my die cut little flowers and greenery here, adding some liquid glue and just arranging them where I want them to go. Now when I'm doing an arrangement of lots of different embellishments or flowers or die cuts or anything, one thing I like to do is kind of just go ahead and arrange everything, play with it a little bit, and then when the arrangement is the way I want it, I then go ahead and glue it down. I don't glue things down right away because I often change my mind and I change things around a lot before I'm satisfied with the way it's arranged. So I went ahead and I played around with these flowers and I just kind of figured out what I thought would look good, and then when I had the arrangement I wanted, I added some of my liquid glue. Now to finish off this little tag, I'm just adding a few more drops of liquid glue here and there around my arrangement, and I'm going to add some of these white pearl embellishment pieces here, these little jewels or pearls, whatever you want to call them. I think these are so pretty and I'm just adding them all around, and I think the white pearl goes really well with the spring theme. So that is a look at the Spellbinders Glimmer Kit for March and also their clear stamp set for March. I think they're really fun and they go together well. I've got a few other tags here, and that finishes my video. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, tap that bell for notifications so you never miss another video from me. Share, comment, do all the things, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.